Hello guys, welcome back. If you need to reinstall audio and sound drivers, then watch this video till the end. At first, go to Device Manager and then here you can see audio inputs and outputs. And then here you can see high definition audio device for headphones and microphone. Simply right click on it and click on uninstall device. Do the same thing for this. Also scroll down and here you can see sound, video and game controllers, and then here you will see high definition audio device. Also do the same thing for this high definition audio device. After doing these steps, simply go to Action and then click on Scan for hardware changes. And then here you can see the drivers are reinstalled automatically after doing this step. If you see the drivers are not installed automatically, then simply restart your PC and check again. Kindly comment below if you face any issues. Thanks for watching.